Kaya inulayan ni kadiga sedikit kebawam dong masih ni. Dun we sutu bakla ba. Lesi lega sokar BJP ke bahang ban. Yung nganali kum BJP ameli ngali ta. Kum ya ta isu ngala da pen kre awar nga abli choy man ko ru baga masih le de bentu cha ne de ben. Bam. Aja ka jung do blang do ser bam bahar do masih. Encourage people to eat more beef than chicken and mutton or fish.
Why?
That you see that wrong information in the mind of the people that the BJPs will impose this cow slaughter. I have prepared on this. So legally I'll study it, and if required I'll meet Mantaji also to discuss that the supply of cattle or beef to our state should not be affected. Everybody are free to eat. You will see in other northeast state snake also they eat. What is that? Tortoise also they eat, crab also they eat, scorpion also they eat. There is no restriction that you cannot eat this and that. Dog also they eat. They are eating.